Musamseleku is delaying to have a ceremony for Mpilo because Mpilo is a girl child. Musamseleku doesn't took serious when it comes to girls, but boys he can took serious. You remember Mayeni doesn't stay with Mpumelelo, but Mayeni came with Mpumelelo. Musamseleku had a ceremony for Mpumelelo to be accepted to be his child. That is his child to be Mseleku. But when it comes to girls, Mpilo came long time ago because Mpumelelo and Mpilo, maybe they don't have much distance because Makumalo stayed with Mpilo the first time she was staying at Musamseleku's compound in Muzumbe. Makumalo was the first person who stayed in Muzumbe before Mayeni. Yes, Mayeni and Musamseleku, they got married. But Mayeni, she was not staying with the Musamseleku. She was staying at her parents' home. When Mayeni, she came with Mpumelelo, Musamseleku have a ceremony for Mpumelelo, but not other kids. And now he says he want to have a ceremony for Snare. Guys, until now, Snare, she have got maybe 30 something years. Snare was with him long time ago. Why he can't have a ceremony for Snare? Musamselek, when it comes to girls, he can't take it serious because maybe he can think that girls can get married and leave him. But when it comes to boys, Musamseleku can take how much it takes. Remember, Musamseleku was sick, but he forces to have to support Mpumelelo to get married to Amahle. Mayeni doesn't not know, guys, but Musamseleku, he took a risk for Mpumelelo to get married to Amahle because he knows that he is going to benefit on Mpumelelo. Mayeni doesn't not know. But when it comes to Mpilo, he says, I can't have a ceremony for Mpilo because we are not getting along. At that time, Mayeni and Musamseleku, they don't talk to each other. But Musamseleku supporting Mpumelelo secretly, Mayeni does not know. Musamseleku, when it comes to girls, he can't take it much serious like that. That's why you saw he got married to Makwela. Maybe he thinks that Makwela can bring boys. But Makwela bring girls, guys. So he is going to be disappointed because, guys, Musamseleku have got many girls more than boys, and now he can't have a ceremony for Mpilo. Guys, Mpilo now she can get married anytime. Mpilo, and not accepted as Musamseleku's child. She can get married anytime. Mpilo is an adult now, so he doesn't count it. Snare have got kids, and now you know that Musamseleku was supposed to have a ceremony for Snare before Snare have got kids. At that time, maybe 2008, 2000, at that time, your mother passed away. Musamseleku maybe was supposed to have a ceremony for Snare maybe 2010, 2011. And now he says he want to have a ceremony for Snare. Snare have got 3 kids now, guys. Imagine. Guys, in Musamseleku doesn't take serious when it comes to girls, what I saw. When it comes to girls, maybe he can die without have a ceremony for them. He can delay. But when maybe Mpilo is a boy, maybe he can say, I can have a ceremony in hush, by fire, by force, even they don't get along with Makumalo. But he saw that Mpilo is Makumalo's child and Mpilo is a girl. What I saw, he can count that that child is a girl. So there is no serious matter that he can have a ceremony be in hush. He can find a reason because what I saw to Musamseleko, why he can't have a ceremony for Mpilo. He want to punish to use Mpilo's situation that Makumalo have to accept Makwela, what I saw. So guys, when it comes to girls, and he saw that Mpilo is a girl, that's why he can't. He is delaying. Even Snare, guys, imagine Samselek was saying he want to have a ceremony for Snare. Because people maybe were thinking that he had a ceremony for Snare long time ago. But now, nothing. Understand? When it comes, but Mpumelelo, when he came at that family, Musamselek was not staying with Mpumelelo in my end. But he had a ceremony for him very fast. Risk is to have to got Mpumelelo to marry Amahle secretly. Mayeni does not know, but he says they are not getting along with Makumalo. What? I don't understand.